Hi! Thank you for choosing the FS36 flat mop with active wash system. In the box you will find the user manual, microfiber pads, mop head, mop handle, drain plugs, the top cover with water pump, wash and dry chamber, and finally the bucket. First, place the wash and dry chamber into the bucket. Make sure it hooks securely onto the partition. Then insert the two drain plugs into the wastewater compartment and clean water compartment. Next, insert the water pump into the clean water compartment and adjust the top to align properly. To lock the top, tilt the handle towards the lock icon. To attach the microfiber mop pad, press the release button on the mop head to detach the mop pad holder. Roll up the microfiber mop pad and align the slots with the attachment points on the mop plate. Gently unroll the pad onto the Velcro surface. Insert the other side of the mop pad the same way to the mop pad holder. Then insert the holder into position and press until it clicks. Assemble the mop handle by connecting and twisting clockwise the four sections of the poles. To use FS36, fill the clean water compartment with clean water up to the max line. Insert the mop head vertically into the wash chamber. Push and pull the mop to rinse the mop pad thoroughly. Then switch the mop head to the dry chamber and repeat the same motion to remove excess water. Now it is ready to clean. The mop effectively cleans wet messes on all types of hard floors. It can swivel 360 degrees around obstacles and corners. In addition to floor cleaning, it can also be used on glass panels. The integrated wiper edge can scrape off excess water. For maintenance, detach the pad holder and remove the microfiber mop pad. You can wash the mop pad by hand or in a washing machine using mild detergent or soap if needed. After washing, squeeze out excess water and let it air or sun dry. To clean the bucket, remove the drain plug from the waste compartment to release dirty water. Remove the plug from the clean water compartment to drain off water. To remove the top, turn the handle toward the side with the unlock icon. Then disassemble to wash when necessary. Thank you for watching. We hope the FS36 flat mop makes your cleaning routine easier and more efficient.